In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Zoom. As more people shift toward virtual meetings and scheduling, integrating these two platforms can streamline your life and ensure that scheduling and meeting management become a breeze. Let's dive right in and explore how to seamlessly connect Calendly with Zoom. First, head over to Calendly by visiting their website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account with Calendly yet, you will need to set one up. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you manage your scheduling preferences. From this page, you'll be able to navigate to the integration options. Up next, on the top navigation bar, or the side menu, you should see an option that says Integrations and Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is where Calendly brings together all the different tools and services it can work with, making it easy to create a synchronized ecosystem for your work or personal scheduling. Now that you're in the Integrations section, look for the Zoom app within the list of available integrations. It's typically categorized among the communication tools as it's one of the most popular video conferencing services available. Once you've located Zoom, it's time to initiate the connection between the two applications. Click on Connect Zoom for myself. At this point, Calendly will either link directly to your Zoom account or prompt you to log in. If you haven't already authorized these connections in Zoom, you might be asked to sign in using your Zoom credentials. But don't worry, the process is straightforward. You will follow the standard logging in procedure by entering your credentials. In most cases, clicking to connect is enough to link the accounts. If you do need to log in, ensure you use the correct credentials for the Zoom account you wish to link to Calendly. Once you follow through with these instructions, the systems should automatically authorize the integration, confirming that the connection between Calendly and Zoom has been successfully made. With that, you're all set. Your Zoom and Calendly accounts are now integrated. This means that whenever you schedule a meeting using Calendly, it will automatically create a Zoom meeting link, making the process seamless for both you and anyone you plan meetings with. It's a perfect solution for reducing manual work, saving time, and ensuring all your virtual meetings are well organized and accessible. Thanks for watching, and we hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos for other productivity tips and innovations in the world of digital organization. Have a great day!